Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to do a lens opening. I know you've seen this a lot with KEH and MPB, which are both great companies. People do a lot of unboxing when they order like a lower grade lens and see what kind of condition it's in. I've ordered a lot from KEH and MPB, and I like them both. But today I'm going to do an Adorama used lens. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. I just noticed that this is like the second lens in a row that I bought from Adorama used, and I had good luck with the first one. So let's see what we get on the second one. It was rated V, which says appears well used and may include dings, scrapes, scratches, heavy brassing on body or LCD, but is in fully functional condition. So let's see what it's already got the top of the box, but I haven't opened the lens yet. It is wrapped up really good. I don't know that, see that much. Let's see if I can get into this thing. This lens is, I did not buy it to be a go-to lens. I just bought it as a backup lens. Backup for my Canon 24-70 2.8. This is the Tamron 28-75 2.8. It was on a good deal, so I jumped on it because I usually jump on good deals, especially on lenses like this, because you don't really, once the lens has depreciated so far, it won't go much further. It's not like a camera body where it just keeps losing money and losing money almost where it's worth nothing. So let's see what we got. Be careful not to scrape my lens. Okay, well, they definitely wrap it up good. All right, about to get to it here. Got lens caps on both ends. Wow, looks really good. I don't see any, what they said, heavily used, showing multiple dings, scrapes, scratches, and cracks. I don't see any of that. The glass looks absolutely perfect. I mean, it almost looks brand new. I'm trying to find something wrong with it. I don't see any scrapes or scratches or dings or any show of wear on this. I mean, honestly, it almost looks brand new to me. I'll show it to you guys if you can see it. So wow, that's incredible. I mean, it does look like it could be sitting on the shelf as a brand new lens. But anyway, I'm gonna try it out now. Now again, this won't be my go-to lens. This is a backup. It's the Tamron 28-75 2.8, and I got it. I've got a Canon 24-70 2.8. It's getting some age on it, and I've also got the Sigma 24-105. That's got a little bit of age on it too, but I decided I needed one more as backup just in case. And so I will be testing this lens next week. I will be putting it up, hopefully, weather permitting. It's been rainy or 12 degrees outside, so hopefully this weekend or next week I can go out and shoot some pictures with the Canon 24-70 2.8 and then the Tamron 28-75 2.8 and see how they compare. So anyway, this lens looks fantastic. I'm thoroughly impressed with this. So anyway, I guess this tells us if you're looking for used gear, go to KEH, go to MPB, and check out Adorama at the same time. So hey, we're helping you guys out. Hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.